Think scrap metal is just junk? Right now, some metals are paying up to $4 a pound, and most people walk right past the metal. Here are the top-paying scrap metals right now, but harder to come across. Platinum group metals like catalytic converters, and gold electronic scrap, like circuit boards and connectors. Your everyday moneymaker. Copper number 1 bare bright clean, stripped wire, or clean copper tubing is pulling $3 to $4 per pound. Pro tip: stripping wire can equal instant profit boosts. Brass is another sleeper. Red and yellow brass from plumbing and fixtures bring $2 to $3 per pound. Even the lower stuff adds up. Stainless steel can be up to 70 cents per pound, and aluminum cans can be around 40 to 60 cents per pound in steel/iron. Just 3 to 8 cents per pound, but volume is key. Quick tips to make more money. Grade matters. Clean metals always pay more. Separate everything before the yard. Prices can swing 10 to 30%, and yards vary 10 to 40%. So always check multiple yards before selling. Want the exact system to make $100 or more a day scrapping and staying up on the highest paying metals of the day? Join the free Discord, link in the description. Start turning scrap into serious cash today.